This is my sanding station box that I created out of 3/4 inch plywood. There's a hole in the back for a vacuum hose attachment and a hole in the top for the sanding drum. This is the floor. It sits on top of the drill press table. It's about 1 inch up from the bottom, so it sits on top of the table. And the front of the box is actually not glued in. It's held in with some latches that you'd find on the cabinet, and that's so I can put the sanding drum and sanding discs inside of there, just for storage, and it just snaps back together. Okay, here's the drill press, and just going to attach the drum to the chuck and move the drill press table out of the way so that I can put the box on top of it. Okay, so it's just now on top of the drill press table, and I'm going to set the height of the drum, and you can set it with these thumb screws. And now I've got the height right, and I'm going to go ahead and attach the vacuum hose to the back of the sanding station.